Go on, Mr. Muffles. Hop away, Mr. Stuffles. Get! Success! Bye-bye forever, bunnies.
How could anyone abandon pet bunnies?
I don't know, but I know these pets need help right away. Look!
Let's pick them up and see if we can find their home. Oh, I'll do it! I love bunnies, and their oh so splendiferously soft fur. Don't be scared, bunnies! I just want to get you home! Huh? Think you're fast, huh? Okay, twirl and a swirl, I'll give it a whirl! Mayday! Mayday! I'm going down!
Lavender, are you okay?
Uh-huh. Floof. Thanks, Floof.